test score is a piece of information, usually a number that conveys the performance of an examinee on a test. One formal definition is that it is a summary of the evidence contained in an examinee's responses to the items of a test that are related to the constructs being measured. Test scores are interpreted with the norm reference or criterion reference interpretation, or occasionally both. A norm reference interpretation means that the scores conveys meaning about the examinee with regards to their standing among other examinees. A criterion reference interpretation means that the score conveys information about the examinee with regards a specific subject matter regardless of other examinee scores. There are two types of test scores, raw scores and scaled scores. A raw score is a score without any sort of adjustment or transformation, such as simple number of questions answered correctly. A scaled score is the result of some transformation applied to the raw score. A norm can be described in many ways. The descriptive definition of norms is what people in general do. The prescriptive definition is what people should do. And the prescriptive definition is what people should not do. Many norms are useful for individuals and groups. They are the basis of common meanings for signs and symbols in our society, and therefore are the foundation of communication. They are also the basis of the coordinated behaviors we must perform as a society. For example, time, driving regulations, and common definitions of weights and measures. As well, they are the foundation of social ethics and the common conceptions of what is right and wrong, and in the development of laws. Norms are important component of psychological tests. They are the reference system that places the tested person in a relation to other persons, thus making the results interpretable and informative. Tests without norms are only meaningful if several persons were tested and the results are compared with each other in ranking order. For most test users, norms are an absolute requirement. This presents great challenges for the test publishers because the development of a new test or updating a test requires a great effort.